The iPhone 17 Air leaks are causing a lot of buzz, not just because of its features, but also due to confusion about its display size. At first, a trusted display expert named Ross Young said the phone would have a 6.6-inch screen. This would make it slightly smaller than the Plus model it's replacing. But recently, tech YouTuber John Prosser claimed it will actually be 6.7 inches, the same size as the Plus and Pro Max models. Both of these guys have been right in the past, which makes this confusion even trickier. Young is usually spot on with display info, while Prosser has had a mix of hits and misses. For example, he correctly predicted the AirTag design but was wrong about the Apple Watch Series 7 design. Regardless of the exact screen size, we know the iPhone 17 Air will have a big display. Prosser also says it will be Apple's slimmest iPhone, ever at 5.64 millimeters thick. This is close to what another analyst, Ming-Chi Kuo, predicted at 5.5 millimeters. Though it's a small difference, it adds to the confusion. Design-wise, the iPhone 17 Air might have a camera bar on the back, kind of like Google's Pixel phones. If true, this would be a bold move for Apple, as they usually stick to safer design choices. It would be exciting to see Apple try something new. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to launch in September, alongside the rest of the iPhone 17 lineup. However, its super thin design will face competition from Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge, which will launch as soon as April. Samsung's phone might have a ceramic back, while the iPhone 17 Air could feature a titanium frame. Interestingly, the Pro models might switch back to aluminum, which would be quite surprising. Another interesting rumor is about the iPhone 17 Air's modem. It could use Apple's own C1 modem, which was first seen in the budget-friendly iPhone 16e. While this modem helps Apple rely less on Qualcomm, it's curious that only the 17 Air would use it, while the Pro models stick with Qualcomm. This choice might mean Apple is still testing its new modem before fully committing to it. The iPhone 16e could be Apple's way of seeing how the C1 performs in real-world conditions. If tests show it's good enough, we might see it in more models in the future. But if the iPhone 17 Air is the only flagship with the C1 modem, it could also mean there are other compromises. The phone might focus more on being thin than powerful. We could see a less advanced camera, an older chip, or even a smaller battery compared to the Pro models. For most users, the difference between Apple's modem and Qualcomm's might not be huge. You probably won't notice much change in speed or connectivity. Still, it's an interesting move by Apple and one to watch closely. What are your thoughts on the iPhone 17 Air? Are you excited about its design, or are you worried about possible compromises? Let us know in the comments.